In this review, we will be discussing in details the best stand mixers for bread available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So we've chosen the best stand mixers for bread based on quality, features, performance, and price. Choose any of them that matches your considerations. Please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents Top 5 Best Stand Mixers for Bread. Let's get started!
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 1. KitchenAid KSM 150 PSMC Artisan. We'll begin with our first product, that is KitchenAid KSM 150 PSMC Artisan series. It has great features with good quality. 10-speed slide control ranges. The slide control ranges from a very fast whip to a very slow stir. With the powering shield, you can ensure even distribution of the sauce while baking. Power Hub. The slide control range from a very fast whip to a very slow stir. With the pouring shield, you can ensure even distribution of the sauce while baking. Assembled. His appliance comes with the Cori stand mixture, which makes it easy to add unwanted ingredients like onions, sugar, and spent butter into the mix. Number 2. Akma Stand Mixture Electric Mixture. Then we'll take a look at the Akma Stand Mixture 6.5 QD 660W 6-speed tilt head food mixture for its good performance, powerful motor, and variable speed control. Kitchen electric dough hook for Akma is a high-performance food mixture that lets you mix food by simply tilt head bowl or Hendrickson dough cook. The powerful motor and variable speed control make this mixture the powerful perfect tool for your kitchen. 6.5 QT large space capacity bowl with handles. With 6.5 QT large capacity bowl with handles, Number 3. Hamilton Beach Classic Stand. Next, we'll find out what Hamilton Beach Classic Stand and Hand Mixture has to offer. It has featured 2-in-1 mix with ease and whatnot. Let's figure it out. 2-in-1. This lightweight hand mixture easily detaches from the base for extra mixing versatility to tackle any baking recipe. With the 4-quart 6-speed 290-watt power, you'll be able to mix just as well as you did with the traditional beater. Mix with ease. The power has a high-capacity bowl rest that makes it easy to serve up the mix without having to carry it around. And when you're done with your task, just remove the bowl and mix using quick burst. Number 4. Dash Stand Electric Mixer. The fourth item we'll review in this video is Dash Stand Mixer. To be honest, we loved its versatile, compact, and mess-free capacity. Versatile. The Hamilton Beach has an open design that can be used as a stand, as an attachment to a stove or oven, and also comes with classic beaters, whisk, and dough hooks. Compact. The Dash Stand Mixture is the perfect tool for everyday use. With its small size and lightweight, it can be placed almost anywhere in your kitchen. 6-speed. The Dash Stand Mixer 6-speed stand mixer is 3QT stainless steel MI is the perfect portable compact mixture for everyday use. Number 5. Dash Stand Mixer. Coming to our last presentation for today's review, we're going to review the Dash Stand Mixer, which is versatile and has easy assembly. Check it out. Versatile. The dash stand mixture comes with a 3-quart stainless steel bowl for making ATNs versatile. Sweet or savory, the dash stand mixture is your perfect kitchen accessory for frosting meringue, creamy dressings, doughs, baked goods, and more. Compact. With our compact and foldable design, you can put it wherever you want, and it will mix your ingredients just like a true electric mixer. 6-speed. 6-speed stand mixture with 3-quart stainless steel.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.